Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to see something interesting in our English. Yes, today we are going to name is I'm Lucky. Listening, speaking and reading. Yes, the lesson name is I'm Lucky. I'm Lucky is a poem based on a girl and her dream and how she feels. As I have said you already, the girl feels lucky to be as how she was. Now let us see the first line. If I were a butterfly. Children, I want you to repeat at the back of me. Okay. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. Okay. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. It's a girl's dream. If she were a butterfly, definitely she'll be thankful for her wings. Butterfly will fly with beautiful wings. So she's happy to be as a butterfly. Then secondarily, if I were a myna in a tree. If I were a myna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. That I could sing. The myna will have a beautiful voice. You could have heard it will sing very nicely. So the girl is saying that if I were a myna in a tree, I will be thankful. I would be thankful that I could sing. The third one, she want to be as a fish. If I were a fish in the sea. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful. I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. I can wriggle, that is moving slowly, giggle, that is twisting, rotating with the complete happiness, with glee. Yes. Fourth one, the girl want to be as a elephant. Yes. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that if I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. That I can raise my trunk. Elephants will have a beautiful trunks to climb, to pick whatever things it want, though it don't have hands. So the girl is dreaming like that, that if I were an elephant, I can raise my trunk so that I'll be happy. The next one is she want to be as a kangaroo. You all know that kangaroo will hop to a level. Okay, the girl is dreaming like that. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop. I would try to hop. That is jump. Right up to the moon. What a dream the girl is having. Right up to the moon. If she were a kangaroo, she would try to hop right up to the moon. And as I have told you earlier, the kangaroo will have a pouch at its stomach. It will carry its small babies and hop here and there. And wherever it goes, it will carry its small baby and it will hop. Yes, children. The next one is octopus. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful. The girl is saying that if I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 legs. She's having 8 legs. So the girl is very much happy that if she was an octopus. Okay. So again I read it. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 legs. Finally, So I just think I am lucky to be. So I just think I am lucky to be me. Not you, but me. Finally, she is telling that whatever I told, let it be. I am lucky that I am me. Okay, not like you or not like an octopus, elephant, whatever may be. Let it be. I am happy. I think I am happy to be me. Not you, but me. Like the girl, we also should feel happy that I am a human being. I am gifted with a very great parents. I am gifted with a very great surroundings. So you should feel that I am lucky to be as you. Okay, you should say like that. I am lucky because I am very much a gifted person in this world. Like that, you have to be happy as if how you are. Okay, so what do you think you want to be? That is the question from the all. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Just you. So the girl is asking, what do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Think it of, my dear kids. So kids, the girl is asking you the question how you want to be. Hope you understand this poem, and I want you to repeat the lines and read the poem again, children. Thank you, my dear. Have a great day.